fine little kids. How are you all? I hope you all are fine and safe at home, right? And are you studying at home? Right? You have to study at home, okay? And you have to listen to your mama and papa, okay? And I would like to thank our parents for supporting us and motivating your child for studying at home through seeing our video. We are really thankful to all the parents. Okay, now see. Okay, today I am getting back with the new topics. Okay, which subject is this? This is English subject. Which subject is this? This is English subject. Today we are going to learn something interesting. Okay, we are going to learn something interesting. Okay, okay. Now let me ask my name. Do you know what is my name? What is my name? I am your teacher Indira ma'am. Who I am? I am your teacher Indira ma'am. Okay, now let's start studying. Okay, hands up, hands down, up, down, up, down. Clap. Smile. This is your smiling face. Okay, smile. You have to be always happy. Okay, you have to always be happy. No crying at home. Okay, no crying. You have to be always happy. Okay, stay happy and strong and safe. Okay, see, today we are going to learn different type of face. We are going to learn different type of face. We have, see, this is called face. Okay, but this face show different emotion. Okay, emotion, different emotion. If you are happy, this is your happy face. If you are sad, this is your sad face. If you are crying, this is your crying face. Mama, this is crying face. If you are laughing, ha 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 ha, this is your laughing face. See, today we are going to learn 4 different type of faces. Okay, we will be learning 4 different type of faces. Today we are going to learn different type of face. Different type of face. This is face. This is 4 face. Okay, we are having 4 different faces here. Okay, we are having 4 different faces. This face is happy face. This face is happy face. You have to smile. Happy face. See, I am showing you. Number 1. Number 1 is happy face. And number 2 is sad face. Sad face. This number 2 is sad face. And this is which face? Crying face. Mama. This is crying face. Okay? This is crying face. Number 3 is crying face. Mama. Okay? This is crying face. Number 3. Okay? And number 4 is angry face. This is called angry face. Gussa wala face. Okay, angry face. This is called, number 4 is angry face. Okay. Number 1 is happy face. Number 1 is happy face. Number 1 is which face? Happy face. Number 2 is which face? Sad face. Okay, see, you have to identify different type of faces. Okay, mama will make you a picture of different face. You have to identify which one is happy face, which one is sad face, which one is crying face, and which one is angry face. Okay, you have to identify the picture of different face. Okay, now see, this one is happy face. This is happy face. Show me a happy face. This is number one is happy face. Number two, sad face. And number three is crying face. This is crying face. Okay, and number four is angry face. This is angry face. Okay, now see, I am going to make a face. You have to identify which one is happy, which one is angry, which one is sad face. Okay, now see here. Which face is this? Which face is this? Which face is this? This is happy face. Which face is this? This is happy face. Which face is this? This is happy face. Smile. Which face is this? This is happy face. Okay, which face is this? This is happy face. Which face is this? This is happy face. Okay, now next. See, I told you have to identify the face. Mama will make you a drawing of different face. You have to identify. Okay. Which face is this? See here, which face is this? This one. Which face? Can you identify which face is this? Sad face. This is? Which face is this? This is sad face. Okay, which face is this? This is sad face. Okay, which face is this? This is sad face. Now see here, which face is this? Okay. Which face is this? Can you identify this face? Mama, Papa. This is crying face. Which face is this? This is crying face. Mama, Papa. This is crying face. Which face is this? This is crying face. Okay, you have to identify the faces. Happy, sad, crying, angry. Okay, now next term, which face is this? Now tell me which face is this? Which face is this? Angry face. Which face is this? Angry face. गुस्सा वाला face. This is angry face. गुस्सा वाला face. Okay? Angry face. Which face is this? Angry face. Which face is this? Angry face. Okay? See, your mama will make this different type of face. You have to identify. Okay? When mama will say you, show me a happy face, then happy face. Smile, happy face. Show me a sad face. Show me a crying face. Show me an angry face. This is called angry face, okay? Happy face. Which face is this? Happy face. Smiling face, okay? Which face is this? Happy face. See. This is happy face. This is happy face. Is smiling. Ha 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 ha. Smiling, no? This is happy face. This is angry face. This is angry face. This one, angry face. Okay? See. This one is happy face. This one is, number 2 is sad face. Number 3 is crying face. And number 4 is angry face. This is called angry face. See, you have to revise these 4 faces. Okay? You have to revise these 4 different type of face. Okay? Different type of face. One is happy face. Number 2 is sad face. Number 3 is crying face. And number 4 is angry face. Okay? You have to note down this one in your copy just for oral part. Just to identify different type of faces. Okay? You need to just oral and identify different type of face. Your mama will ask you, show me a happy face. You have to show like this, happy face. Show me a sad face. Show me a crying face. Show me an angry face. In this way, you have to revise. Okay? Okay, now again I will repeat. Okay, now show me a happy face. Smile. Show me a crying face. Show me a sad face. Show me a angry face. These are the 4 different type of faces which you have to revise at home. Okay? Now see here. Let's go to the new and topic. Okay, identify letter B and circle it. Okay, see which letter is this big one? Letter B. Which one is this? This is letter B. But see, here are so many letters, right? Here are so many letters. Only you have to identify letter B and circle it. Only you will search, identify letter B and you will circle it. Okay? This is letter B? No. This is letter B? Yes. Then circle it. This is letter B? No. This is letter B? Yes. Then circle it. This is letter B? No. This is letter B? No. This is letter B? Yes. Then circle it. This is letter B? No. This is letter B? Yes. Then circle it. Okay? This is letter B? Yes. This is letter B. Yes. Then what you have to do? Circle it. Okay? Which letter is this? This is letter B? No. This is letter B? No. This is letter B? Yes. Then circle it. Okay? This is your worksheet. Okay? You have to just identify letter B and circle it. See? You have circled all the letter B. You have circled all the letter B. Which one is letter B? You have to circle it. Okay? This is letter B? No. This is letter A. So here no circle. Okay? This is letter B. No. This is letter C. So here no circle. Here ma'am has said you to circle only letter B. So you will find out. You will see where is letter B. You will see nicely, focus. Okay? You will see letter B and you will circle. See, you have circled. This is letter B. Which letter is this? 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 B. You have to circle letter B only. Okay? See, this big one is also letter B. Okay? You have to write this one in your notebook. Okay? And this is just a oral part. You have to identify happy face, sad face, crying face, angry face. Okay? This is called happy face. This is called happy face. This one is sad face. This one is sad face. This one is crying face. Ooh. This one is crying face. This one is gussa wala face, angry face. Okay, so please do revise this all at home. Okay, bye bye, take care, love you.